Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In today's video, I just wanted to share something that I recently found out as I am trying to transfer all of my open 2021 trades into my 2022 trade log. And I thought it was really interesting, and I thought I'd like to share it with you for those who are interested and for those who trade the wheel. So if you don't have a trade log, I just uploaded the version 3, that's actually now 3.1 of the free trade log in Google Sheets. You can download that. There's a link down in the description. Also, if you'd like a mobile version of a trade log, then there's the Trade 5 app that I made, and it's also in the description. There's a 30-day free trial of the premium app. So let's take a look at what went on in 2021. So this is my total for the year. Total profit, $32,168. Okay, so what I wanted to show you was AMC. So if I clear all these and just go to AMC, click on that, okay. And let me zoom back in. So with AMC, I made $18,311.06. That's in 2021. $18,000. Now this really surprised me because this was like half of my profits, and I did not expect that. I guess I really wasn't keeping track of how much I was making per stock, and I made a lot with this stock. Some of it was actual, stock selling. Some of it was cash secured puts. But what I really wanted to point out was I am down quite a bit on AMC. My average cost basis, let me show you that really quickly in my 2022 log. Okay, so here's my 2022 trade log, the cost basis summary. You can see with AMC, let me zoom in so you can see this better. I have 700 shares at an average cost basis of $45 or $44.97. Currently, AMC is trading around, $28, something like that, just under $30. And so I'm down quite a bit on the actual stock. But if I only hold the stock, then yes, I have all these unrealized losses. If I were to sell them right now, I would have a huge realized loss on this ticker. But what I'm doing is I'm trading the wheel on AMC, and you can see how much it's paid off. So let me show you this back in the 2021 log. All right, I made this slicer up here just so I can sort by trade type. So if I clear all these and I just do cash secured puts, and these are cash secured puts on AMC, I made $5,442 on AMC just on cash secured puts. If I were to look at just being assigned shares or actually buying shares, so just on the stock itself, I've made $4,000. But here's the real surprise to me. I didn't realize this until I started putting all my trades in, and that is selling covered calls on AMC. This is selling covered calls on the shares that I already own of AMC, and that is $8,854 that I've made just selling short calls on a stock that I already own. So I own 700 shares of AMC. I'm selling covered calls on them at or above my cost basis. Right now, a lot of it has been below my cost basis, and my entries are about 90% chance of profit, and I exit at 50% of the max profit just to make sure that I don't get assigned and have my shares called away at a lower price than what I purchased them at. But you can see, just using these shares as collateral, you can definitely still make a lot of money. So right now the AMC stock price is $27.20. So so $27.20. So let's take a look at that. So $27.20 minus my cost basis, which is $44.97. So I'm down $17.70 per share, and I own 700 shares. If I were to sell everything right now, I would have this loss, $12,439. So a $12,439 loss. But because I have been running or selling covered calls and running the wheel on this, all of my profits on AMC come to $18,311. So I am still up. Let's do this. $18,311.06. So I am up $5,872.06 on AMC, even though the price has declined so much from what my cost basis is. So this is one of the reasons I love the wheel. If you have high conviction in a stock, it doesn't matter if the stock price goes down, you can still make money selling covered calls. And if you sell cash secured puts and get assigned, then you're acquiring the stock at a lower price, and you can think of it as getting that stock at a discount, and then you can sell covered calls against it. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you'd like the trade log, link is in the description. If you want to try the Trade 5 app for your phone, link is also in the description. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you can catch all the updates of how I am using the wheel strategy for lifestyle trading and to pay off my Tesla Model 3. So I look forward to trading with you in this new year. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. And until next time, trade wisely and take care.